This is how to grow your own ginger at home. Ginger has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries among many cultures. Ginger has a long history of use for relieving digestive problems such as nausea, loss of appetite, motion sickness and pain. The root or underground stem rhizome of the ginger plant can be consumed fresh, powdered, dried as a spice, in oil form or as juice. Ginger is part of the Xenobaraceae family, alongside cardamom and turmeric. How many of you are growing ginger at your home? Not a lot, right? But, Christina, a blogger from Portland, Oregon, is here to offer some useful tips and advices on how to grow your own ginger. On her blog, Dream State, she's not only helping people to know more about America, but she also offers some other amazing and very useful tutorials. One of these tutorials will make some passionate gardeners very happy. Grow Your Own Ginger at Home is the name of the article, in which she explains how to grow ginger in a pot and water it every day until it's fully grown. All you need is a pot, some soil, and a ginger root, which you can buy in any healthy food store. You should pick a piece that looks like a human hand. If you can, buy a piece that has as many fingers as possible. Break the ginger into many pieces in order to get more fruits. Directions: the planting process is very easy. Place each of the fingers in the pot with soil, on the surface, but be careful, you should not cover it with soil. This is the most important thing in the whole process. You should water it every day. Ginger doesn't need a lot of light, but it requires heat. Christina advises that the planting should be in early fall, and in spring you can transfer the root to your garden, but make sure it is a place with soft soil. Again, you should water it every day. She also says that you shouldn't worry about any diseases and pests, which may attack the plant. With proper care, your ginger can reach 60 to 120 centimeters tall. It'll have narrow, glossy, green leaves that can be up to a foot long. Its roots can be harvested at any time, but you should let the plant grow for at least 3 to 4 months before harvesting. You'll be able to see the ginger roots growing near the surface of the soil. To harvest them, just trim off small sections whenever you need them, while the rest of the plant continues to grow. The new roots that grow from the starter root will have a best flavor and texture.